Hello everyone. Today, we will be discuss about how to obtain a work visa in Germany. Obtaining a work visa in Germany can be a complex process as it depends on your nationality, the type of job you're seeking, and your qualifications. Here are the general steps to obtain a work visa in Germany. Determine your eligibility. You must have a valid job offer or employment contract from a German employer. Your qualifications and the job offer must meet the requirements for a work visa. Choose the right visa type. Germany offers different types of work visas, such as the employment visa, the blue card, and the EU blue card. The type you need depends on factors like your job, qualifications, and nationality. Research which one suits your situation. Gather required documents. Typical documents you may need include a valid passport, a job offer letter, proof of qualifications, proof of financial means, and proof of health insurance. Requirements can vary, so check the German embassy or consulate website for specific details. Secure a job offer. You will need a job offer from a German employer to apply for a work visa. Make sure the offer is legitimate and meets the visa requirements. Apply for a visa. Complete the visa application form accurately and provide all required documents. Pay the visa application fee, which varies depending on your nationality. Attend an interview. In some cases, you may be required to attend an interview at the embassy or consulate as part of the visa application process. Wait for processing. Visa processing times can vary but typically take several weeks to a few months. Be patient and plan your move accordingly. Obtain health insurance. You will need health insurance coverage for the duration of your stay in Germany. You may need to provide proof of health insurance during the visa application process. Get a residence permit. After arriving in Germany, you may need to apply for a residence permit at the local immigration office. This is usually required within a few weeks of your arrival. It's crucial to research the specific requirements and procedures for your situation and nationality, as they can vary. Consult the website of the German embassy or consulate in your country for the most up-to-date information and guidance. Additionally, consider seeking advice from a legal expert or immigration consultant to ensure a smooth visa application process. I hope you found these tips helpful on how to obtain a work visa in Germany. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Elevance Consultancy for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.